Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever wondered how to level up your oral care routine and get the brightest smile possible with minimal effort, this might be the game changer you're looking for. Today, we're diving into the Spinbrush New Pro Whiten replacement heads. These aren't just any replacement heads. These are designed to help you achieve visibly whiter teeth in just 1 week when paired with your regular toothpaste. But do they really live up to the promise? Let's find out. The Spinbrush Pro Whiten replacement heads are compatible with the Spinbrush Pro Clean and Pro Whiten handles. These replacement heads are designed to deliver a faster brushing experience, with bristles spinning 50% faster than previous models, which should result in more efficient plaque removal and whitening. And the best part? The bristles feature a color wear indicator that fades as you use them, reminding you when it's time to replace the brush head every 3 months for optimal performance. When I tested these replacement heads, I immediately noticed how easy it was to switch them out on my Spinbrush handle. They fit snugly and securely, making it simple to get started. As someone who's always looking for quick and effective beauty and health solutions, I was intrigued by the claim that these heads could help whiten teeth in just 1 week. So, I used them twice a day for my regular brushing routine, and after about a week, I did notice a slight improvement in the whiteness of my teeth. It's not an instant transformation, but the gradual results were definitely visible. In terms of texture, the bristles are soft, which is a plus for people with sensitive gums. I've used other electric toothbrush heads in the past that were too harsh, but this felt gentle while still being effective. The faster spinning action seemed to do a good job of getting into all the nooks and crannies of my teeth without any discomfort. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Spinbrush Pro Whiten replacement heads are easy to use, effective at improving whiteness, and gentle on the gums. The color wear bristles are a clever feature, ensuring that you don't forget to replace your brush heads, which is a small but very important detail for maintaining good oral hygiene. However, the major con I encountered was that these heads only last for 3 months before needing to be replaced. While that's typical for most electric toothbrush heads, it does add to the ongoing cost. When it comes to value for money, these replacement heads are priced competitively for the results they deliver. The faster spinning action, combined with the whitening benefit, makes them a solid choice if you're looking to elevate your oral care game without breaking the bank. Compared to other electric toothbrush heads on the market, Spinbrush stands out in terms of affordability, while still providing a noticeable whitening effect. Some higher-end brands might offer additional features like specialized cleaning modes, but if you're looking for a straightforward, reliable option, these replacement heads certainly hold their own. The build quality is solid, with the heads fitting securely onto the handle without any issues. Durability seems to be on point as well. No bristles falling out or fraying prematurely. Now, a quick reminder, if you find this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. And if you're ready to get these replacement heads for yourself, you'll find the link in the comments below. As for customer support, I didn't need to contact them directly for this product. But Spinbrush has a strong reputation for responsive service, so you should be in good hands if you ever run into any issues. If you're considering alternatives, there are other brands out there with similarly priced replacement heads, though some may focus more on specialized needs like gum care or deep cleaning. However, for the value and whitening benefits, Spinbrush offers a solid option. To wrap it up, these Spinbrush Pro Whiten replacement heads are a great addition to your oral care routine, especially if you're looking to whiten your teeth gradually and gently. They're easy to use, affordable, and effective for daily use, though you will need to replace them every 3 months. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check the description or comments for a link to purchase. If you've tried these replacement heads, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.